As part of the digital marketing service, we have built a fully automated monitoring and optimization system that runs 24/7 on your behalf. You don't need to check anything manually. It watches your website, your Google rankings, and your traffic performance, and it tells us exactly when and where to take action. Here's what each part of the system does and why it directly impacts your revenue. 6 automated workflows are running right now. Together, they act as your full-time digital marketing operations team, monitoring your website, protecting your Google rankings, and identifying new revenue opportunities, all without you lifting a finger. So here's the workflows and their benefits on your business. Workflow 1, GSC coverage error monitor, every Monday, protects rankings. Workflow 2, new page auto submit to Google, every time you publish speeds up visibility. Workflow 3, weekly rankings tracker, every Monday, tracks growth. Workflow 4, website speed audit, every Monday, protects rankings. Workflow 5, uptime monitor, every 5 minutes, protects revenue. Workflow 6, low CTR opportunity detector, every Wednesday, grows traffic. Now we'll start at Workflow 1, GSC coverage error monitor. What it does: every Monday at 9 a.m., this workflow scans every single page on your website. It checks that each page is accessible and indexable by Google. If any page has a problem, broken link, server error, or blocked from Google, it sends us an instant WhatsApp alert. Why it matters for your business. Imagine Google's robot visits your website to check your pages and finds that some of them are broken or blocked. Google stops ranking those pages. You stop getting traffic, you stop getting leads, and you don't even know it's happening. This workflow is your early warning system. Without it, a broken page could sit undetected for weeks, silently costing you Google rankings and new customer inquiries. The result: broken or unindexed pages are caught before Google penalizes your rankings. Problems are fixed in days, not discovered months later during a manual audit. Your website stays healthy in Google's eyes, consistently. What you'd pay without automation. A manual website audit by an SEO professional, around $1,500 to $3,000 AED per audit. This runs one automatically every week at no extra cost. Next, Workflow 2, new page auto submit to Google Index. What it does: every time you publish a new page, blog post, or service page on your website, this workflow immediately sends a notification directly to Google saying, "A new page exists, come index it now." It logs every submission automatically to a Google Sheet for your records. Why it matters for your business. Normally, when you publish a new page on your website, Google might not discover it for 2 to 6 weeks. During that time, the page doesn't appear in search results, no visibility, no leads, no return on the work that went into creating that page. This workflow removes that delay entirely. The result: new service pages appear in Google search results within hours, not weeks. Every money you spend on content creation starts working immediately. Every submission is logged. You have a full audit trail. Example: you launch a new service page, Google Ads Management Abu Dhabi. Without this workflow, Google finds it in 3 to 4 weeks. With this workflow, Google receives it in 3 to 4 weeks eeks. With this workflow, Google receives the page within minutes of publishing. That's 3 to 4 weeks of potential leads, otherwise you'd be waiting for. Next, Workflow 3, weekly rankings, tracker plus alert. What it does: every Monday at 8 a.m., this workflow pulls your top 50 keywords from Google Search Console, where each keyword ranks, how many times it appeared in search, how many clicks it got, and saves all of it to a Google Sheet with a date stamp. It then compares this week's rankings to last week's. If any keyword moves up or down 5 or more positions, you get an immediate message alert. Why it matters for your business. Rankings change constantly. A keyword that was number 3 on Monday could be number 11 by Friday, and without tracking, you'd never know until you checked manually, which most agencies do once a month at best. This workflow gives you a weekly ranking snapshot and real-time alerts so we can respond fast, capitalize on improvements, or defend against drops. The result: full ranking history stored in Google Sheets. You can see the trajectory of every keyword week by week. instant alerts when something significant moves. So action is taken within days, not discovered at the end of the month. You always know exactly where you stand in Google. Next, Workflow 4, Weekly Page Speed Audit plus Alert. What it does. Every Monday at 9:30 a.m., this workflow tests your key website pages using Google's own Page Speed Insights tool, the exact same tool Google uses to evaluate your website. It checks your pages on both mobile and desktop, records performance scores and load times, and sends a WhatsApp alert if any page falls below the performance threshold. Why it matters for your business. Google officially uses page speed as a ranking factor. A slow website doesn't just frustrate visitors, it ranks lower in search results. In Abu Dhabi, where most searches happen on mobile, a slow mobile experience costs you both rankings and conversions. If your website slows down, whether from a plugin update, new image, or server issue, this workflow catches it within 1 week before it damages your rankings. The result: page speed is monitored automatically across your most important service pages. You're alerted before speed issues affect your rankings. A full performance history is saved so you can see if your site is getting faster or slower over time. Industry benchmark. Mobile score below 70. Poor. Google penalizes rankings. Desktop score below 85. Underperforming. This system alerts us the moment either threshold is crossed. Next, Workflow 05. Website. Uptime monitor every 5 minutes. What it does. This is your 24/7 website guard. Every 5 minutes, day and night, including weekends and holidays, it checks whether your website is online and responding. The moment your website goes down, an instant alert is sent via Telegram. When the site comes back up, a recovery notification is sent too. Why it matters for your business. Your website going down is a silent emergency. While it's offline, visitors arrive and leave immediately. Those are lost leads. Google's crawlers find a broken site. This can damage your rankings. Any active Google Ads campaigns are sending paid traffic to a dead page, wasting your ad budget in real time. Most businesses don't discover their website is down until a customer or colleague mentions it hours later. By that point, the damage is done. The result? Minus, you know your site is down within 5 minutes, not 5 hours. Google ad spend is not wasted on downtime. You can contact your hosting provider and fix the issue before it costs you leads. The math on why this matters. If your website generates 5 leads per day and goes down for 4 hours undetected, that's potentially 1 to 2 leads lost from that single incident. At an average client value of 3,000 plus dirhams, that's real money and not a technical problem. Next, Workflow 06, Low CTR Opportunity Detector, AI powered. What it does: every Wednesday at 9 a.m., this workflow scans your Google Search Console data to find keywords where you are already ranking on page 1 or page 2 of Google, positions 4 to 15, but people are not clicking your result. It sends this list to an AI, Claude by Anthropic, which analyzes each keyword and writes improved title tags and meta descriptions in the exact text that appears in Google search results. The AI-generated suggestions are then delivered directly to your WhatsApp. Why it matters for your business. This is one of the most powerful underutilized opportunities in SEO. Here's the logic. Google ranking on page 1 takes months of hard work, but once you're there, the text that appears in the search result, your title and description, determines whether anyone actually clicks through to your website. A bad title on a page 1 result equals 0 traffic. A great title on the same page 1 result equals consistent leads. This workflow finds every page 1 or 2 ranking that is underperforming its click potential and gives you AI-generated fixes every single week. The result: hidden traffic opportunities are surfaced automatically every week. AI writes optimized title and meta description options, ready to implement. More clicks from the same Google rankings equals more leads without creating new content. What this replaces: manual monthly SEO audit to automated weekly checks. Discovering downtime from a client complaint to alert within 5 minutes. New page takes weeks to appear in Google to indexed within hours of publishing. Rankings reviewed in monthly reports to weekly tracking plus instant movement alerts. Page speed issues discovered in quarterly reviews to weekly audits with threshold alerts. CTR opportunities missed entirely to AI identified and delivered weekly to WhatsApp. This system means your business is protected and optimized around the clock, not just when someone logs in to check. Problems are caught early, opportunities are found automatically, and every week you get actionable intelligence delivered directly to your phone. This is what separates agencies that get results from those that just record on them. If you're looking to scale your business or agency without increasing operational complexity, this system was built for exactly that. What you've seen isn't a concept or demo. It's a real working system designed to automate key processes, monitor performance continuously, and surface actionable insights you can actually use. We've structured everything to be practical and implementable, not theoretical. If you're interested in applying this to your own business, you can access the full system below. Inside, you'll find the complete workflow setup, a step-by-step implementation playbook, clear guidance on how to integrate it into your existing operations. Access the full system and playbook below. Take a look, and if it aligns with what you're building, it will give you a clear path to implement it properly and start seeing results.